Troubleshooting your Mac keyboard. Common causes of delete key malfunction. Clean the keyboard. To clean your Bluetooth keyboard, disconnect the keyboard from your Mac. Turn it upside down and gently pat it on the back to knock the accumulated debris out of place. Spray a can of compressed air around the key to blow away the remaining dust. If there are any stuck particles, you can try to remove them carefully with a small item. If you're too scared to damage the keyboard, take it to an authorized service center. To clean your MacBook keyboard, shut down your Mac. Carefully turn it upside down so the keyboard faces the floor. Gently pat it on the back to knock the accumulated particles out of place. Spray a can of compressed air around the key to blow away the remaining dust. If there are any stuck particles, you can try to remove them carefully with a small item. If you're too scared to damage the keyboard, take it to an authorized service center. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. Restart the Mac. A simple restart can fix any underlying software issues that may interfere with your keyboard's proper functioning. Use Keyboard Viewer. Click on the Apple logo and select System Settings. Go to the Keyboard Settings. Next to Input Sources, click Edit. Turn on Show Input Menu in Menu Bar. Click on the Input Menu icon at the top right corner of the menu bar. Select Show Keyboard Viewer to see a virtual keyboard. Disable slow keys. Select the Apple logo and click System Settings. Go to Accessibility and select Keyboard. Turn off slow keys. Reconnect your keyboard. Select the Apple logo and click System Settings. Select Bluetooth. Next to your keyboard, click Disconnect. Click the info icon and choose Forget this device. Confirm the action. After a few seconds, connect the keyboard again to your Mac. Check keyboard connection. If your keyboard is connected with a cable, sometimes it may become loose from the computer, or the cable could be damaged. In this case, the whole keyboard or some keys might not work. If you have a third-party keyboard, check if it's compatible with your Mac. You can do that by visiting the keyboard website. Another thing you can do is check the connection ports. If they're dirty, clean them. Delete plist files. Click Go and select Go to Folder. Enter ~/library/preferences. In the Preferences folder, select com.apple.keyboard-settings.extension.plist and com.apple.keyboardservices.d.plist files, and delete them. Restart your Mac. Reset the parameter random access memory or non-volatile random access memory. Shut down your Mac. Press and hold the Command, Option, P and R keys on the keyboard. Press the power button to turn on your MacBook. Release the keys after you hear the startup sound twice. Reset to factory settings. The reset will delete your data and set all settings and configurations to default. Make sure to back up all important files with Time Machine or copy them to an external drive. To do a factory reset on macOS Ventura or later, select the Apple logo and go to System Settings. Go to General Settings and click Transfer or Reset. Click Erase all content and settings, enter your Mac password, and select Unlock. Make sure that all the important data that will be erased is backed up, and click on Continue. Enter your Apple ID password to authorize the reset and click Continue. Then follow further instructions on the screen. When the reset is done, set up your Mac again. To keep your Mac clutter and virus-free, download the Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer from malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The disk cleaner will scan Mac for application cache, logs, browser data, and other useless files that can be safely removed to regain valuable disk space. It will also show you how much space what files take up in storage. With Combo Cleaner you can look through all big files with ease and delete the ones you don't need. You can also scan for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. With Privacy Scanner, eliminate data stored when browsing the internet, including cookies, history, cache, and other files that can reveal your private information. The uninstaller feature allows you to find hidden components of applications and uninstall them from your Mac completely with just a couple of clicks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.